How to find empty directories in Windows using a PowerShell script. What command do you use to find empty directories in Windows? Some folders might contain some hidden folders like .svn or .settings, but they should still be treated as empty folders.
Easiest way I can think of is with a small PowerShell script. If you're running Windows 7, you should have it installed already. If not, visit Microsoft.com to download and install it. The link provides a detailed description, but the gist of the operation is included here for your convenience. Open PowerShell and enter this. Change C:\scripts to whatever you want to search through. You can even set it to just C:\/ if you want it to check the entire drive. It will give you output like this. Note these are the empty directories below C:\scripts. If you look into PowerShell a bit, I'm sure you'll be able to figure out how to automatically delete empty folders if you want to, though I recommend against it, just in case. Edit, as Richard mentioned in the comments, for a truly empty directory use. It searches for hidden files and folders too.
Thanks, I used this as a basis for my script. I wanted to delete empty folders, but trying to do where object $_.getFiles .count eq0 would delete folders that had subdirectories that were not empty. I ended up using a do while loop to remove a folder that had no files or folders, then loop back and check again until it reached the end of the tree.
The following is the easiest way I could find to achieve this with a single line of code. It lists the empty directories at the current location. If recursion is needed, the parameter recurse could be added to the call to getChildItem. GetChildItem directory where object $_.getFileSystemInfos.count eq0. Short version with aliases. Directory $$.getFileSystemInfos.count eq0. Or, as a parameterized PowerShell function, I added this to my PowerShell startup profile. This can then be invoked as any other PowerShell function, including piping. For example, this call would delete all empty directories in the system temp directory. Get empty directories $env column tmp del.
Try this. The count is not 0, it doesn't exist at all, meaning that the directory is completely empty or holds other completely empty folders.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.